Okay, this is a brief tutorial on how I want you to submit your assignments via Canvas. Okay, so what you're looking at right now is the student view of Canvas. Notice in the right hand side we have a list of assignments that are due. What I want you to focus on right now is modules. In the modules section, that's where I build all of the classes. That's where your notes are going to be. That's where your assignments, your tests, anything that I give you, that is where it's going to be. So we're going to take a look at this first assignment here. Okay, so this assignment happens to be some vocabulary terms. When you look at the assignment, it's going to give you the due date, how many points it's worth, how you're going to submit it, and when the assignment is available to you. Okay, I'm going to talk about the assignment, and I'm also going to tell you how to submit it. Okay, so with this one, we're going to define each of the vocabulary terms listed here. So here's where you need to make a choice. You can either use the built-in text editor inside Canvas, or you can use Google Docs. And right now I'm going to show you how to submit using those two items. Okay, so first off, if you're going to use the built-in text editor, you're going to hit the Submit Assignment button, scroll down, and here is your text editor. You basically just start typing whatever you want in response to the questions, the terms, or whatever, and when you get done, you hit Submit Assignment. Okay? If you decide to use Google Docs or Google Slides to do your work, you're going to click on Website URL. You're going to go to Google Docs. So right here I have a document. Say I typed up my complete assignment. All right. You're going to hit the share button in Google Docs, and you're going to focus on this bottom box. Okay. If your box says Troup County Schools, anyone in this group with this link can view, I need you to hit the change button and change that viewer to commenter. Okay, you should only have to do this once. If it already says anyone with the group in this group can comment, leave it alone. What you're then going to do is you're going to hit copy link, and you're going to see link copied pop up at the bottom, and then you're going to hit done. So now you have that link copied. You need to come back to the assignment, and you need to right click in this box and paste. Okay, that gives me the link that I can click on to go and view your assignment. Okay, and once you have that paste, you're going to hit Submit Assignment. Okay, now that's for stuff that I want you to type up. Okay, definitions, review questions, exercise questions, whatever. If it's something to type, that's how you're going to submit it. Now, I'm going to go look at a different assignment. I'm going to leave this page. Say I want you to upload an image, a video file, a Java class file, some type of file upload. So we're going to look at Shot Assignment 2. Okay? So, again, we have our due date, points, how you're going to submit it, and when it's available, and then the instructions. Okay? So to submit a file or upload a file, you're going to hit Submit Assignment, and then in this box you now have a File Upload button. Okay? You're going to hit Choose File, navigate to what file you want to use. So I'm just going to click this one, and you're going to hit Open. And then notice the file name will populate here. If you have more than one file to submit, so like this exercise has submit 5 shots, I'm going to hit add another file, choose the file, and then I'm going to duplicate those steps for however many files I need to add. Okay? Also, I need to look in the next couple of days at a student account, because you can actually link your Google Drive to Canvas as well, but I need to check to see how you need to do it as a student. I know how I did it as a teacher. Then you can just go to your Google Drive and select files. But once you have everything selected, you're basically going to hit Submit Assignment, and that turns in your work. Okay? So, in review, in this tutorial, I've shown you how to use the the text editor to type in your work, how to use Google Docs and share your link, and how to upload a file. Those are the main 3 that we're going to be using throughout this year. If I want something else, then I'll make sure that I communicate to you in a timely manner. Okay? I hope this helps. Please review it anytime that you need to submit your assignments. And have a good day.